Hello, hello. Whoops. There we go. Okay. What the heck is on my hand? Uh-oh. I think I accidentally tipped over my brushes. Okay. Alright, so I need a cream shadow brush. So for today's bundle, I want to keep things looking semi-natural. So I chose this cream shadow Victorious. And I'm going to go with this Hottie Lip Plumper in the original clear shade. Like I said, keeping things simple-ish. Get my mirror here down in front. There we go. Alright. So cream shadow. Oops, a bit much. There we go. Okay. Kind of move my bangs off to the side of it. Hey, Kay. Grab another cream shadow brush to help blend this down a bit. How's your day going? There we go. Ta-da! Like I said, giving it like a nice natural look with this shade right here. Wow. And then we have the Epic Mascara. Well, that's good. So I had a pretty eventful evening. My niece's cat had her kittens at 2 o'clock this morning. So my niece and I sat up with her until she was done. And then very, very carefully, and with gloves on, of course, I had my niece move one of the kittens into the kennel, which was right, like she was laying like right outside the kennel. So we moved one of the kittens into the kennel, which got her cat to go in the kennel so we could move the other two in there with her. That way the dogs wouldn't be all up in their business. And they could, relax, and she could get to feeding her babies and stuff like that. So we put some cat food and some water in there for her. And then what we've been doing every so often anyway is putting the dogs outside for about 10-15 minutes so that she can come out, wander around, use the litter box. We pretty much wait until it looks like she's ready to get up and move around before we do that, but yeah. So now there's 3 new little kittens in my house. I'm totally keeping one. They are freaking adorable. Oh my gosh. But yeah. And then this is the clear lip plumper. there we go. So that is my Looking Hottie bundle for the day. Keeping it very, very simple, nearly natural looking, using the cream shadow in Victorious, the clear shade of the Hottie Lip Plumper, and of course the Epic Mascara to really make those lashes pop. Pop. Alright, so if you haven't gotten your, whoops, I just kicked my garbage can. If you haven't gotten your Looking Hottie bundle, strongly suggest you do, because once July is over, this bundle is gone, and then we'll have a new one. So, yeah. If you're interested in this little bundle here, which saves you, definitely saves you some money on those 3 products right there, I suggest you get it, and fast. Alright, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.